He's going to lower the flag. And let's get ready. If everybody would stand and remove the cover, in just about
Roger that.
Minute we're going to start the national anthem.
All we dropped was one jumper.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem.
And continue your orbit, and I'll tell you what, we'll take you by the time you get to your orbit. We'll be ready for the mass jump. Okay, we're past 9,500 feet now. We should be at 10. I do that. One down, 1400. That's it. You cleared the turn. You're either end of the runway, your choice. East end. East end, you cleared the east end now. Go. Yep.
Traditional Airshow opening here at Tico. To watch as Staff Sergeant Collins steers that parachute that airfoil.
1 minute, so I'm looking for about a 4 minute, 4 minute drop.
Everywhere but
4 minutes from now, jump on, understand.
On a windy day like today. And as soon as he gets on the ground, he's going to come over and talk to us a little bit, and maybe we'll have a chance to ask him how bad the wind is at 10, 12,000 feet. And he's going to talk to you about this jump team, because we're going to do another parachute jump, a mass parachute jump with 5 or 6 jumpers. And he's going to tell you all about this jump team and this special mass jump we're going to do. I haven't done this before at Tico, so we're in for a treat. And he's on the ground.